Anyways, sorry. I just saw something that I was like, wait a second. Picking up seeing something that's kind of making you go, wait a second, what in the wiki world was this? Seriously, this is a 100-point wick. What the actual heck? I see after I left, it kind of still went sideways for a bit, dropped back down, tapped into this level, and then went back up, so that's cool. But I'm... No Maya effect today. I'm kind of relieved about that. No Maya effect today. Booyah. Winning. It's the little wins. It is really the little wins. No Maya effect today, just whatever the heck happened, yeah. Seriously. Like, seriously, what happened? I mean, it was beautiful bob. It was a bob level and then right back down. Did someone tweet? Was there some news at all that I maybe missed? Because that's yeah, that's intense. Trump sneezed. Ah, that makes sense. Ah, I get it now. I get it. OTT, what's up? Salutations. Good morrow, good sir. Good grief.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Is everybody good? OTT? How's it been going? What have you been up to today, OTT? I know it's only been a few hours, but what have you been up to? We now have a little bit of time. I mean, we can mark out London low. Right over there. London low. Potato K. Oh, here's some nice relative equal lows. And I'm just gonna keep this as a... Actually, this whole wick is low-key a little bit of a point of interest. I want to see how we react off of it. I'm just gonna leave the line there though. Let's mark out these relative equal lows as well. Well, actually, those are pretty damn equal. Okay. So we do have some sell side liquidity. Let's quickly do a top to bottom analysis. Yes, I'm saying bottom weird, but I am weird. So let's do daily quick sticks. Good grip. He had 2 tweets there. Also talks at 4:30. Okay, cool. Thank you. Thank you. Much appreciated. Well, let's do a quick top to bottom and then we'll focus on all the other shenanigans. Okay, yeah, still have further up to go and retest. I'm expecting a little bit of a retest. I just wasn't expecting it to move. I nearly said it so quickly today, but let's be careful of saying that, because yeah, I guess it's not that quickly just yet. 4 hour. Yeah, so 766 is quite a nice level. Next point of interest on the 4 hours is 609. Okay, let's see if it reaches that 609 level. Okay. 1 hour. Microwave, what up? What do you mean? I mean, it's right there. What, actually a tiny bit higher over here. Okay, so there's 1 hour. Not terrible. I mean, we've just been slowly going up the whole day so far. 15 minutes. That wick is insane. Sorry, I'm giggling at the wick. TPP Cancer, what's up? Why are we not working? Why are we being dumb? I'm in a sneaky pre-market long on some evil. Small risk, like super small. Oh, interesting. TPP Cancer, what's up? How you been? How's it been going? Are you doing amazing? 15 minute, 5 minute. Could go a tiny bit lower there, otherwise not bad, not bad. 5 to 4. This is a slow grind up, but we're going up. And 1 minute. Okay, let's let the fun begin. Let's do this thing. Let the fun begin. Seriously. Forex Scout. My bad. Sorry. Oops. Candles are printing ugly, guess because of Fed news ahead. Probably that, and apparently there were 2 tweets, right? Sereno? Yes? Why did I close? All good questions. OTT, what's wrong with you? Why did you do that? We've got 10 minutes to go. We've got this. Just make sure this was nothing too important. Cool. Not planning to trade market open. What about me? No, I probably won't trade market open. I've never been one to trade market open, to be fair. More like 5 or so minutes in, but especially if there's going to be news at, you said 4:30, which would be 10:30. 10:30? That's not right. What time is the news today? He's not too bad. Huh, interesting, OTT. There we go. Guys, what time is the news today? Someone said 4:30, which makes me go... Yeah. You literally said 4:30. Don't mind me. At 10:30. Thanks, OTT. My brain is... Oh, and Mikuave was saying 3:30 p.m. Nah, that's open, Mikuave. So, which would mean it's 4:30 p.m. EST, right? Oof, okay. I'm debating whether I should even take a trade today. Clearly my head is not attached to my shoulders today. I don't know where it is, but wow. It ain't here. I can tell you that for free. I've been having to deal with so much chaos. Yeah, Microwave, you chop. Go have fun with it, and Louie.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Oh, that makes sense. Microwave, that makes sense. Sure. Excuses? Excuses. Nah, just messing with you. You know I'm messing with you. Okay, 9:24, so we have 6 minutes to go. Did a top to bottom analysis. What do you guys think this is going to do? Do you think this is just going to be a continuation, or is it going to be a reversal? Because it's been going bullish very slowly, but it has been going bullish, well, apart from there, the whole day. What time is it? Like 3 p.m? Yeah, literally 3:24 p.m. Hey Mark, oh thank you, you're so sweetie. So you're still bullish, you still think this is going to continue retesting back up there. Valid, I also had points of interest that are higher up, but I mean, OTT, look at us on Friday. We're like, yeah, there you go. It has to be a test. I guess it don't has to do anything. Don't see myself taking any shorts. Oh. Sorry. But we've got this, we've got this. I wish I do trading hours so comfy. Midnight at 6 AM I'm trading you wrong. I'm so sorry, dude. I'm about to say, OTT, me and you, well, any South African is quite privileged when it comes to trading. We just some lucky ducks. That's what we are. More like speed. Aw, I'll give your sweetie pie. You'll get some fireworks. One minute 200 moving average pullback to fill the gap. Mr. Umi, you think this is coming back down? Matimba, what's up? Not a pair, this is Nasdaq futures. What's up? How goes? How goes? This to be the Nasdaq futures. 450 pullback. Oh, okay, so not intense, just a bit of a pullback and then continuation to the buy side. Oh, okay, that's valid. I know. Helpful right now. Well, it would be so nice if I could get a payout right now. But that's most likely not going to happen for a little bit, so that's okay. That's okay. We just continue. Carry on, carrying on. We need a pullback. Do we, Mr. Ubi? We all thought we'd get a pullback on Friday, and it just kept going. There was no pullback. It was wild. Can I do this little thing on my phone? Yolanda, can you trade on your phone? Little thing. Anyways, yes you can. You can trade on your phone. Louis, I took a buy at 503. Like now at this dip. But it's nearly market open. You have 3 minutes to go. Damn, Louis. Are you good? Sure, not my specialty. Gold trades, man. Oh, nice. Matiba? Where are you from? Don't worry, there's a few people here that actually trade gold, so don't worry, you'll have lots of people to discuss the gold markets with. Whoopsie daisies. I have had a look at gold because I'm very curious about Bob's gold rush levels. So I might go check them out a little bit later. I have not traded them that much though. So, yeah. Because I'm stupid like that. No, watch it go up now. Similar to what happened to me earlier today, Louis. How rude. Seriously. So OTT actually started trading on his phone, then got a tablet, and then bought a laptop. Insane. Is it not tricky on your... No ways. Louis, I felt that for you. What the heck? I'm 400 away from payout, then I was like, the market knew it and every trade went to... Oh! J-Mac, I'm so sorry, trust. Got it funded, like the first 2 trades were wins. I was like, ah, this is amazing. I swear ever since then it's just been going downhill slowly. It's actually ridiculous. Hey, Usman, what's up? Bought again at 503. I just arrived to get a winner chicken dinner. What's up, Beta? Well, no, I haven't really taken any other trades from this morning, so I'm just sitting. We have 30 seconds to go. Are we ready? What's up, Blackdown? Welcome back. Are we ready? 23 seconds to go. If anything you have to sell, it doesn't really... Why not look for a setup for 4:30 after news? Matimba, is that what you're thinking? Three, 2, 1.
Okay, let's go.
Here we go. Oh, there's that drippy drop. Hey Josh, what's up? Hope everyone is amazing. Here we go. Here's the New York Open. Hello, with some movement. Glad. There was what, like 1 now? Like now we have 7. Oh, look at you, Mark. Thank you. I mean, if the only thing else not really matter. Good, good, good. Another 20 bucks. I'm so sorry, Louis. That's okay. Okay, so Mr. Umi, you think this is going to 450? Let's watch what it does here. Okay, pretty solid rejection there. That's quite nice. That was rather nice. Okay then. Whoa, okie dokie. Calm down there. Louis, now you should have entered. Did you enter again? No ways, Louis, you actually entered again? You know what? I love how you just don't give up. That's what makes you a 5%er. No giving up, I love it. We reckon, oh, it's gonna ruin everyone's day. I mean, at this point, yeah. It seems about right. There was a solid rejection. Took out liquidity. This. See if this bad boy reaches the tippy top over there. Okay. But I mean, that was an engulfing if I'd ever freaking seen one. Please don't let this go sideways. Please don't let this go sideways. Please don't let this go sideways. Ooh, do you think it might actually go sideways until news later? Can't catch. Did you end up saving your account? What do you mean? I was done. Can't catch. This is I'm back now. I haven't blown it. Is that what you're saying? But I haven't taken another trade. Resistance. OTT you might take a long here. Okay, I'm not seeing anything I'm super chuffed with just yet. Apart from, no, I was gonna say, apart from what's happened to the first present, this is not, there has been no first presented yet. Oh, I am! Can't catch, I am very close to drawdown. Very, but I haven't taken another trade, so I haven't saved it, but I'm not out for the count yet. So, you know, that's what I'm expecting. Could look at longs from P-market, pre-market lows, but anything above that is a risk. No, Louis! Italy Johnson, what's up? Any bias on the previous days? Mativa, no, not really. Wait. Alrighty then. OTT, did you take it? Thank you, Can't Catch. Jayesh, bullish trend. You are correct, sir. Very much a bullish trend, but the question is always, is this now going to be a reversal or not? Do we have a first presented? Nearly. Five, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Oh yeah, first presented. Whoop, pew, pew, pew. I would say I'm so sorry because I'm getting weirder, but okay. I'm making 20 bucks on every loss, but it sucks to not make 500. I mean, yeah, I just got cooked. Oh, no, OTT, I'm so sorry. Wow, everything's oversold. Looking at right now what time frame the candles are set to. Oh, of course you can't, John. So I'm on the Nasdaq futures, the micros, and I'm currently on the 1 minute chart. I do actually have to go check the higher time frames. Let's check. So, okay, let's see how it reacts at 435. What the heck is going on today? I guess I did say either this is going to be continuation bull or reversal to the bear side. Apparently it chose violence. It really chose violence. 15 minutes. It's still being formed. Let's see how it reacts off of here. We're going to go a little bit lower. There's some equal lows as well as London low further down. Okay then. Who grabbed that short? Hey Q, what's up? Memes are from me. Can you ask me something? Of course you can. What the? That's now going to be stuck in my head. For anyone who took longs, this is how you're feeling right now. I get it. I was also kind of looking at a long, so don't worry. Thank you, and edging clear doors would have taken out the huge wick, then reversed. Literally, the first percent for value gap is the 934 candle. Why is it not the 933 candle? There is a first presented right there. Jay should both be here. Where's Mikwawabe? He was here. I actually don't know. Mikwawabe! Where you at, bud? Okay. Let's watch this on the 5 minute, but we have now created some chaos over here. We get a retest back into here because that'll be the midpoint of the 5 minute. And shorty shorts might be in play. For solid bob to bob. If. Oh no, this is just running away. Would like to have seen a bit of a retest. No way, Solly. What the heck? Well done. What on earth? Solly's on missions. Oh, okay, I see we're still going. That's nice, that's nice. Tick pullback. It's the 933. Thank you, OTT. I thought so. I was like, what? Yeah, I have it at the 933. Thank you. Random one. What's with having the two streams running? Oh, that sounds more convenience for you guys. You know, some people are on their phones. It's easier to watch if it's in a vertical. Some people hate watching vertical. They want to see the horizontal. Yeah, I guess it's just convenience. You want a fair value gap bigger than 10 handles? It should be an exam. Okay, but Mr. OTT, whose father is ICT, says 933 is the correct candle. We'll see how the 30-minute fair value gap works here. I'm full, so bounce up. Flip. Now this might tap a little bit lower, which is wild. Okay. So much for that. Didn't even get a flipping retest. Got nothing. Might come for the lows. Is everyone just pulling out of their positions before the news? That could be it, because woo. Just woo. Oh no, DJ, are you serious? That has not gone back up. I can't. Okay then. I can't take anything right now. If I was a gambling man, I would have just marketed in for a shorty short, but I'm not. Darn. Bob to bob, mother fluffers. Here we go. Short didn't even get a retest, got nothing. It just went. Well then. Okay. And equal lows? Seriously? You're not gonna tap into it properly? Hey JP, what's up? What's my RR? It's normally 1 to 2R. Is it full 15-minute only? Got my win out of opener. Whoop, nice! Okay, wait, actually, that's valid, guys. Wait, before I do anything, let me just watch what it does here. See how it reacts. It looks like it's actually kind of going back down to VWAP on both of these. Solid rejection off of there. Freaking Bob, man. What? Market is open? Yeah, of course market's open today. Why? Only players on that. Turtle Supers, that was a brutal open. Oh, flip. Here we go. For anyone that got in on that short, here we go. Here's a well-deserved whoop whoop. Yeah, that's a B setup again. Let's see what this does. If it takes these out, I could want to head back up again. Seriously? Looks like we're kind of just going back down to midnight. Seconds. Okay, we're pushing. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and you know. Okay, so a solid wick off of that level. Giving us a potential over here. Watch on the 5 again. Instead of flipping solid rejection, just tapped into that level. There we go. And again. It's a short day today, just saying. Correction time at least 50%. What am I trading? Consider yet trading the Nasdaq futures. Wrong, I got in at 376. Oops. Oh, you going bob level to bob level again? Is that your plan here? Okie dokie. Equal lows now have been taken. Tis better. See if we're gonna get rejection now. Sorry, I'm smiling to myself because... Oh! Damn! It would have missed! I would. Triple equal lows. What's up, 286 MS? How you doing? Kittens compilations. Why are we saying oof? What's up? No, my bob settings are different. Right. I forgot about that, Louis. See the rejection here if we get a solid rejection, but this is definitely pointing down. I want to see how it reacts at these levels. I mean, we got VWAP and midnight open and new weekly opening gap just below. That was decent. Ready to kill this trading view just glitched. What did it do? Targeting 212. 1,000 or 212 on the uptown. You know what time, don't you? Sorry. Waiting for the US session before. We still have time. We still have plenty of time. Okay, tapped into VWAP on ES. We're gonna get at least a little bit of a pullback. At least like a freaking 50% pullback. Come on. Bells it is. Don't know if I would trust that right now. Would have to break pretty solidly for it to go there. I'm just gonna wait for the V to the WhatsApp. Why do I have candles as white and blue? Emotions! No emotions. I watched the freaking Batman Lego movie last night. Oh, it's funny. 3 clips? Sure? What do you want to say? Did I? Yes. Okay. Rejection got kind of stuck there. Bob, did you take a trade? Andy, why do you say that? The self-opinionated are the worst. Still going. Bit of a rejection there. I missed the dance. Aw, it happens when I'm looking at my chart. Disgusting. The gap on 1 minute on top there. Yeah, this is my funded. I'm gonna fix the gold levels. Oh yeah, I know that they do keep flickering with it. That's fine, I guess. Unless you got epilepsy, then just, you know, close your eyes and click by yourself. No problem. Oh, 10 o'clock reversal, hopefully. Ridicule this? I don't know, hey? Who am I with? I'm currently with top 1 futures. Yeah. And not bad here. What's up, Wade? How are you doing? A pullback is happening soon. I know. The question is, how far up? Dun dun dun. Da 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 da. I'm in my Batman bag right now. Also, feet fighting crap, and I'm also hitting trades off my foot. That makes sense. Solly, I now understand. I now understand. I knew it. I'm Batman. I can't do the voice. I'm Batman. That's as deep as I can go. I'm Batman. I'm Batman. I can't go deep. I do not have a deep voice at all. Batman. No. Batman. No, I can't do it. I think continue fluctuations now. No, futures is allowed. We just limited. I guess. Limited with our props, but no, we're definitely allowed. Like I said, top 1 futures, Tradeify, Bulanox, any of the brokers actually in my description are all allowed in South Africa. All futures. Futures brokers. Ah! You're on holiday? I'm jelly. We're on holiday. Where are you? Where are you? Mother fluffer. I would have been pushing it. Yeah. You sound like Batman if Batman were a duck. Nailed it. Limited in what manner? Just with the amount of props or which props we can use. That's about it. Otherwise, yeah. These are the Nasdaq futures. My ICT made me a millionaire. Shout out to ICT. There we go. Hey, Clarence. What's up? Yes, he did. Because OTT is amazing. At home, I mean holiday. From work and uni. Oh, got it. It's like I could use a holiday. Gosh, brag much. 34 seconds. Gosh damn. What the heck? Hey, Carolinas, what's up? Are you... Okay, I'm doing a civil engineer. Wait. What did I do? What's going on? You should take a holiday. The charts aren't going anyway. No. No. When I take a break, it feels like my brain goes... You know, not like it's doing amazing right now, but in general, it tends to go mush. Bit wick below. Okay, would have liked a little bit more confirmation, but... Ah, so much for me thinking this was going to have a little bit of a rejection off of VWAP. Maybe not. it's a B setup, but like I said, the Bs have been working out a whole lot better recently. Okay. Oh, Louis, that was terrible. Every time is important, maybe. Louis all smooth, walking over here. I have 400 left to cushion. Oh, Schweck, no. No, I have like 100 left. 400 would be nicer. Alas. Shoot. Can't believe that was actually it. Not ideal, but that was actually it. That was the trade, Bob's Bob. Do you think, I mean, probably, Clarence, let's be fair. The short is looking tasty, I know. I just wanted it to retest. I guess the entry actually would have been off of this wick. Could retest a little bit higher. How much would it be for one? Oh, okay. No, we're still just going bye-bye. Yeah, retest would have been there, so that's fine. Music, oh, good grief, DJ. Okay. How many WhatsApp? Yes, this is a funded account. Yes. 3 minutes to. I thought he was at 10:30, not at 10. Live sounds. Did you put on Flickr free update? Yep. This is it. This is the one. Reggie, how are you finding it? Yeah, okay. I guess this would have been the trade here. Hey, Bob. I was almost too focused on the 5 minute. I can't believe I'm saying that, but I was almost too focused on the 5 minute. Do you think this could maybe retest now that it tapped into midnight? Down to Bob. Let's do one again. I don't know if this is going to retest back up to my limit, but let's see. Maybe a bit of a bounce off of midnight. My bad, yeah. Some reason I thought it was 10. Okay. No, lifestyle. Normally it is at 10, which is kind of weird then that it's at 10:30 for me, but it is what it is. Yay, Goblin, what's up? Guess what is missing? Your hairband. Well, now I'm just using these. It's easier. See, no one said I was wrong. That's the proof right there. Maybe just no one thought I was funny, which is mean. I think I'm funny. I know I'm not, but that's not the point. The point is that I think I do. And if you think you... I don't know. Alrighty, let's see if this is going to be a 10 AM reversal. Let's hope you get tagged in. Was that necessary? Was that actually necessary? Anyways. Some people caught that level to level. Gold was amazing today. Let me go check out gold now, Bob. Okay. That's cool. That's cool. It's hands off right now, regardless of what happens, so... Well, I mean, after this, whatever happens after this, I'll go and check it out. Let's see if I do get tagged in. Apparently not. Did I do anything fun this past weekend? I don't know. I did stuff. I don't know if I would call it fun though, but I did things. Does that count? Oh, what's up? Damn Nate, how many trades do I place on an average day? Sorry, I was not focused. So how many trades do I place on an average day? It really depends on the day, but let's say 2 to 3. But 2 to 3, like, sorry.
Hi. Good morning.
Like one each session type of thing, because I trade both London and New York session. But yeah, I think safely I would say 2 to 3. I did, Bob, I did. Not as much as I wanted to. I managed to get 50 trades in for my back testing, but it wasn't enough. It was a very, very, very long weekend, but it's okay. I did. Why you being mean? I did 50. It was really great for sure. I caught buys 3 hours ago and sells at market open. Pretty groovy. It was NQ that was doing weird stuff at open. I've had 2 forward testing whoop whoops today. Sadly, it wasn't real money. That's okay though. Mikuwabe, when are you gonna start trading real money? What's the plan there? Do you know what the plan is? I'm building up my nerve. I mean, that's valid. Why don't you just start with like 1 micro each trade? I mean, that's one way to do it, right? I'm not sure I love the fighting that's going on here, but hands off. I want to trade minis though. Okay, well then 1 mini per trade. Why not? 25 minutes to US session. Wait, considered yet? I'm already in a trade. It is a little bit late to wait. Let's see how it reacts when it tags there. Yeah. So what do you mean? Like, New York Open has already happened. Considered yet? No? Yes? Maybe? I guess if this bad boy comes back, it's going back solidly. Let's do this. Take account for that. If it wants to retest, we'll retest back up there. But otherwise, it should go there. Yeah, times changed back to the normal times. Yep. Now you're a ninja. Oh gosh. We lost an hour of sleep. No, well, no, didn't you also gain? No, you haven't lost anything. Why are you lying, DJ? My new oil levels are stroking very nicely. Made these just for OTT. Oh, nice. How should a teenager start its trade journey? First of all, maybe don't call it it. That's rough. But how would they start their trade journey? I guess you just have to start at the basics, like candles, candle patterns, imbalances. Oh, that's not a very nice wick. Don't call me in it. There we go. Give me an SMT and reversal. Oh, okay. Out at break even. That's okay. I'll take it. Just had to reject off of the midnight again. Buys look like they're taking over on ES right now. Break even. Sorry, that's my little break even symbol. Sorry. Guys, everybody calm down. I made $1.60 there. Oh gosh. That was amazing. I made $1.60. I don't mean to brag. Oh flip. Oh gosh. That is amazing. That is amazing. You know, I don't mean to brag, but hey Eugene, what's up? I don't know, good way to start. First practice on a paper account on TradingView, make 50k account, and practice trying to make 3k without losing 2k, find your markets, mine on gold and oil, there we go. You've made minus $2,300? That's way better than a potential loss. Kick-ass taker names. I love it. Louis, you know, I don't mean to brag, but future millionaire over here. Just saying. Anywho. W says the chat. T Blunky. Right? Charlotte, enter short here. I was in a short. Yeah. I was in a short. Let's see, then it took me out of break even. Ugh, it looked so promising. It looked so promising. What a pity. Oh no! Trinan, you are 100% correct, and I have been taking losses, so anything that's not a loss right now is a bit of a confidence boost. What's my biggest regret? Like in life? That's a deep dark question right there. If the silver trade fails, I'm quitting trading. No, you're not, OTT. You have said that oh so many times. Whoop, that would have been a loss. Louis, thanks for yelling at me to go into break even. Alright, trading prop firms. I am T Blanky. What's up? I'm gonna trade nothing but gold on that eval. Oh, my biggest regret with trading. That's a little bit of a tricky question. I don't know. I feel like I don't have any. I've tilted a few times, but I feel like everything that I've gone through is normal. I don't think I've had any regrets. I guess maybe the regret is when I started, I did some, oh my gosh, what's it called? Strategy hopping. That obviously wasn't very good. But yeah. No thanks, too lucky. Kevin designer fake. What's fake? My shirt? What's fake? I'm so confused. So I'm watching 2, 3, 4, 70 and the 940 fair value gap. There's an inverse fair value gap. So 470. Do you think it's gonna retest back up there? Is that what you are thinking? Bob, I was kind of looking at this for a potential bob to bob. If it breaks above this solidly, this could be good. I had to turn into a ninja because that's how I pass evils and give a house. I never met anyone who went broke from taking profit. Even $1.60 is awesome. T Blanky, how long have I been streaming? Same amount of time I've been trading. Nearly a year. Yeah. Nearly 1 year. How cool. Is this it? This might be it. Let's see, I've done this before and then regretted all my life choices. Well, regretted. In the moment, you regret it. I'm revenge. OTT, stop! Don't do that. Bad. What happened to the account? What do you mean? It's the same. Hey, Gok, what's up? Full port this long. Ridicule? You know what? YOLO! Nah. Nah. Don't do it. Part of me wants to, but don't do it. I know it's bad. But oh my goodness! Can we say hi? I have 0 reasons for this trade to go long. Oh, okay. How do you keep up with just showing up every time? What do you mean by that, T Blanky? Consolidate, yeah. Nah, I'm closing. Okay, let's see if this is literally just a retest. This could just be a read. Hello, okay, okay. We will, you will, oh, okay. We're a little bit needy, that's fine. To the upside, we'll see if this is the move. Okay, ridicule this. Ridicule. Why am I saying, yeah, I'm saying ridicule, that's not a word. English. I don't know what you mean by how do I keep up with it. You do it. You show up, I'm on the charts anyways, might as well just dream while I'm at it. Chat, I need candles. Tell Silver to hit me. Must I wiggle, wiggle, wiggle? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. It kind of worked the one day. To wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Oh shoot, I must also keep track of the time news is happening soon. Oh damn. Then I can't even do a Bob's Bob level. Pity. Pity, pity, pity. Nice rejection off of there. I actually revenge traded someone scream. Oh, T, must I put you in timeout? Must I put you in timeout? Makes sense. I'm personally a swing trader, but expecting this. Aww. Thanks, T Blanky. You are awesome. Shout out to you. What do you normally swing trade, by the way? Itchy, 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 itchy. Add a little something, something. Like so. The top. Don't be too greedy, right? Note greed. It would look something like that. I'm gonna smoosh the smaller because I know when I go back to the 1 minute that's gonna look ridiculous. Yeah, literally it's if it goes back down now. Are we gonna be stuck in a range until news? Let's see if I get 20 bucks. Expect me to be on the stream daily from now on. Besides me being a swing trade. T Blanky, you know what? We have fun here together. Literally, it's chaotic. Oh, so chaotic. But we have fun. I think that's what's important. Almost got me. Oh my gosh! Jesus 914 version, then the next target is the first presenter for the game. Projected in New York High will be challenged and it may go for the 4-hour city. Okay, but you believe it's going back up there, right? Only is 15 on your watch list, so I swing different pairs. Huh. Interesting. I'm up $4. I feel sick. Oh no. Oh no. That midnight cluster is strong. I don't know why my brain kind of went may the force be with you when I read that, but anyways, yes. Since you being how do you go about your well, Marcel, I haven't really had to worry too much about that yet because I haven't had a payout yet. Sweet and simply. Shoot. Sorry, I'm saying shoot because I kind of want to take the short level to level, but I feel like it's a little bit close to news. I trade the same strategy as you, but on the 4-hour time frame, but I only use a 75% level for entry. Oh, interesting! What's your... Sorry, I'm giggling at DJ. What's your win rate? What am I gonna do with my first payout? I don't know, probably go get something nice for my horse and dog. Okay, so this would have been an entry short for a bob to bob. I could still get in, but I feel like it's a bad idea. I could do it though. Maya put me in a timeout. I'm on it. I'm on it. I'm on it. OTT. How long? I'll put you in a 1 minute timeout. How dare you? We don't revenge trade here. Go sit and think about what you've done. Disgusting. Oh damn. So much for that. I mean, a good rejection. Okay, I see we've just lost momentum now before news. Broke below there. Okay, but 15 did close bullish. We might be going back up. Deleting that one, updating it. The new version, it's called Bob's Levels GC. Thank you, Bob. I'll go check it out. From 45 to 60. You know, it can never be fixed because of different results during different months. So yeah, true. What time is the news? The news is supposed to be at 4:30, so like now. Oh, sorry, 10:30. My brain went back to South Africa time. 10:30. And a good rejection. It's a bit risky when news is so close. It's a pity. It's a bit, yeah, it's a tad bit too risky with news right now. What am I trading right now? I'm trading Nasdaq futures. How are you doing? Kissed me, you still think this is gonna go higher? Staying away till news passes, not worth the risk. They're setting up a smoke screen right now. Kyo? Yeah, that's why I'm also kind of like, hands off. TJ? You know, with me, it's always, what are the Nasdaq is going on around here? Do you know what? I actually said that to my friend the other day, and they were like, what? I think they said something dumb, and I just instantly said, what on the Nasdaq is going on? And they were like, what did you just say? And I was like, oh, right. Oh, okay, so yeah, that would have been a loss. Interesting. You would have to have TP all the way at the top then. So I'm kind of focused and seeing what's happening here. Is my buy stop triggered? No. My buy stop. I'm back in at the same spot and break even again. We have such conflicting draws as of right now. Ridicule this, just don't forget that there is news coming up, hey? So let's see, this might actually just chop until news and then we might have something insane. But it is creating higher lows. This might spike back up. Okay, let's see what this does. Hey, Amon, what's up? Volume and candle wicks indicate up, that it goes down. Yep, exactly. I know, DJ. News is an accelerant. 15-minute time frame, no support. The news passed by. Let the market show its card. There's about to be a very vague triple top there. Ooh, interesting. Are you counting this as a top here? Microwave? At this 382-ish level. Is that what you're thinking, kind of? Go fight exactly. Should we do a poll? Let's do a quick poll. Will the news candle be bearable? Whoopsies. Yep. And a down. Let's see. Let's see. So I would normally say like bull or bear, but yeah, this is easier. Spike not be instant unless market just waits for its phone of hello. Reno, well, that's hilarious. I'm thinking that New York Open already set the direction, which is down. Use retrace to premium, then drop more. Consummate weekly, daily, 4 hour, hourly, next. My trade on the 10. Yay, people voted up. Yeah, it appears that up is winning right now. Up, up, and away by the lookies of things. Okay, we have 4 minutes to go. Um, 3 minutes. Okay. Oh, ups appear to be winning. Not by a lot. Anticipating a drop overall dollar in zone close by. Up then drop. Okay, but let's say the initial, like as news comes out, you guys, it looks like up is winning. I see these are going to move down to or up to 2406. I'm calling it. Interesting, DJ. Let's see. Well, we have 3 minutes to go. Okay. Might take a week or two for price to move up that high though. Oh, DJ. Okay, so you're not calling it for today. You're just calling it in general. If we start to have a bullish, you think it's going to go up to 24060, and if it's bearish, it's going to go down to 2300 on the dot. Where's Mikawave? Good question. Mikawave was here. Mikawave! Now he has to speak first. It'll be half an hour or more until we see an effect. No, why? No. Oh, it's literally a 50-50 right now. It is on the dot a 50-50 split about whether we think a news is going to push it up or down. That is interesting. What time frame? I'm currently on the 1 minute. Could check out the 5. Oopsies, if I typed it like a normal human being, we could check out the 5. And 15 is it's Sorry, I've been forgetting to breathe today. I know that's a weird thing to say. I've literally been forgetting to breathe today. I don't know if anyone's ever had that before. I'm going to watch the market up or down. News in 1 minute. High Life liked both streams. I won $300 today. Wow. Yeah, guys. I don't make the rules. If you like both streams, you end up having a winner chicken dinner day. Okay, this is it. I expected more. That was very disappointing. Also, oh, what's up? Oh, damn. Okay, downs. Oh, bears are winning. Let's see. Well, let's end poll there. Okay, so bears won. Interesting. The fair value for Friday was low and the bearish movement was getting close, so the reason I knew is will only drive it lower down. Hey, Git, what's up? Sorry. Well, in the previous downside movement, I think it's gonna go up because there's to close unhealthy downside movement maybe the next 30 minutes or 1 hour. Oh, hello. I don't know. Hey, it's been retesting the whole day. we had this drop, maybe it's actually just gonna go sideways until the PM session, which would be frustrating. Downwards, damn, 50-50 literally. So if he says something weird, we'll know it because we'll just see it freaking spike or drop, right? That's it. I know, Team Lucky. That was it. So Kiss Me, you'll look for an entry at 11. Don't diddle in the middle, right? Okay, apparently that was indeed it. That was it, guys. Mr. Umi, I need a girlfriend like you with all due respect. What does that mean? Sideways till PM session could actually work out nicely, but having spike now would be unpredictable. Go to Bay? Kevin Designer? What do you mean? OTT, I'm closing the charts for today. Not a bad idea. Hey, Soldier Boy! What's up? Actually, anyone else?
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Okay. Done. Awesome. Bearish gang winning this one today. I know, and I was kind of still a bullish bias. I was wrong, but that's okay. Things happen. 80s what it is. Just gonna sit and watch and go with whatever happens here. Oh, a trader, is that what you mean? Just a girl that's a trader. I mean, there's a few female traders out there. I just don't think. Yeah. I think they're just really quiet, which is not a bad thing. Silent but deadly. Dun dun dun. Whereas me, I'm just loud and annoying. But, you know, like I said, at least we have fun. You know what? Do you know what? Speaking about fun, because we are here to have fun together. I think it is time for Butterfly of the Day. I don't know about you guys, but I think it's time for Butterfly of the Day, seeming as this market's going oh so slowly. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do Butterfly of the Day. Let's grab our butterfly book. Let's go there. Oh. Okay. I mean, it's pretty. It's pretty. I don't like that they're calling it common. That's very mean. Let's call them common opal butterfly. Butter. Look how cute it is. Okay, here's our butterfly of the day. His name is the common opal, which is kind of mean that they're calling him common. He is cool. You're cool. You're unique. You're your own little unique snowflake. Anyways, so wingspan from 24 to 35 millimeters. So he's not very big. So intensively territorial on hilltops or sand dunes. Interesting. And found at random on flowers. Okay, so description. Fynbos covered hills and dunes, and succulent Karoo. Nominate from Cape Peninsuela to Mossel Bay, which is the Western Cape, north to Lambert's Bay, inland to Piketberg and Citrusdal, which is, again, kind of Western Cape area. From Bitterfontein south to Norrevesberg. Again, Western. Okay, so basically Western Cape is the place. Oh wait, there's one mention of Northern Cape here, but Western Cape. So habitat is hilltops, flatlands, mountains, and coast. Flight period is year-round, but peaks October and March. So it's about to peak. If anyone lives Western Cape side, you're about to see some common opal butterflies. Oh, I closed it before I read. It's... Oh no, before I read its Latin name. Wait. No, that doesn't work. Maybe it's this one. It's the... So... Chrysoritus relayi. Nailed it. Nailed it. Mid-month mode for 2 weeks. There's a lot of butterflies. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Which side of the Western Cape? I only know the Western Cape of South Africa. Oh, so T. Blanky. No, this is... Sorry. This is actually... My book is Butterflies of South Africa. So Western Cape, South Africa, Western Cape. Because obviously I'm South African. So I found a butterfly book of the South African butterflies. So T. Blanky, you're South African also. Welcome. Another South African. I love it. I love it. All the sappers joined together. We're all in this together. Oops, that's not where I wanted it. I don't like the wick down there either, but... I mean, this is not terrible. That was actually not a terrible trade. I just don't like that we are... That would literally be diddling in the middle. We don't diddle in the middle. We trade properly. Hey, T. Blanky! Heck yeah! So, sorry, yo, that's actually Butterflies of South Africa. So when I say Western Cape, your side of the world. Mabani worms actually turn into moths. Are they cool looking moths? Or are they meh? That's mean. But are they meh moths? Football Forever from Pretoria, what's up? Ah, all my South Africans join together. Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo.
Nice.
Welcome, guys. We'll watch this work out nicely now. Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Sweep into the 4 hour. Never talk about butterflies though. Okay, what's up, Jordy? How you doing? How's the trading been? Fun fact too about the opal: the caterpillars are, and associated, they have a symbiotic relationship with to tend and protect the larvae and sometimes pupa. Damn, that's cool. Sugary secretion. Oh, okay, that's a bit weird. Ah, Jordy, you know what? I can't. It's been a bit stressful, but it's fine. I can't complain. Still hanging on to this funded account. Do not ask me how. I do not have an answer for how. But this funded account is hanging in there. I'm low-key proud of it. If 15-minute fine support, look for 1-1 plausible. Oh, we are in such a weird spot right now. If this is just gonna be choppy for the rest of the AM session, I might call it early, but obviously I won't know that until I give it a little bit more time. So let's see if we get anything good at like 11 AM. So what, that's 20 minutes, yeah? Mother bluffer. I mean, that one would have been a win. Again, a B setup. Let's just look on the 5 minute. Oh, damn. Okay. Actually would have been a banger. Pity. But now it looks like we've gotten a little bit more momentum going, so let's do this thing. Yeah, I actually don't know how. For the life of me, I do not know how it is, but it's still here. It's still holding on, and it's doing its best. I'm proud of it. It is literally just there going, ah, okay. Hey, Lucky, what's up? How you doing? No. Pity. Oh well. Pity about that trade. Oh, whoop. Nah, I don't think it's coming that far back up. Oh well. Shows you the fact that you're trading during bad price action and pulse speaking shows that you're unprofitable. I'm not taking trades, but yes, okay, sure. Carry on. We might hit my bob level. Let's go. Nice, Louis. Whoop whoop. Louis, well done. Proud of you. Also, side note, I never claimed to be profitable either, but that's another story. Anyone that had a green trade, seriously, whoop whoop, well done. That would have been mean. That there would have been mean. Yeah, well, I didn't take this one. That one I actually did take, but I moved to break even. You know, risk management and all that. That one I didn't take. This one here, if I had actually taken it, it would have been a winner. But that was because there was plenty of time before the speech. Here, I didn't take it specifically because there was no time before the speech. Irrespective of the outcome. I'm not, man, just disappointed. Jordy, that's worse. Made 8k shorting 24500 to 2200. On which market, Soldier Boy? You will be profitable? What? My words!
That's what she said. Michael.
Oh, don't worry, I do. Don't worry. Guys, if I took bully seriously, trust. No. See, no, how's it going? Lucky, you know, I can't complain. I can't complain. The trading actually... It's getting better. It's getting better. It's just gonna take a while to build the confidence back up. I think that's the easiest way to kind of say that. Oh, Hunter guy, you're amazing. You Darth Vader-ish. Got a mirror, living to fight tomorrow's news. Oh, cheers, Keo. Enjoy. Good luck. Trade safe. Seriously, trade safe. Debbie, what happened? Where you been? Whoop. Okay, here we go. Flipping bob to bob. Rubbish, honestly. Not allowed to take a bob to bob trade here. That was mean. It would have worked. Would have looked like this though. Wait, let me see on the 5 minute if I agree with this. Yeah. Yep, close enough. So bob to bob would look like this. Obviously, it did not take it because rules are rules. But being a little bit choppy. Yeah, would have actually been a negative R, but it still would have won. Interest, very interest. Okay, here was a bit of a big push. At 3 weeks straight this year where I lost every trade, stuff happens, don't admit anything. Oh, spread the wealth. Yeah, listen, that's almost where I'm at. Literally. Almost. This has been the worst red week I've had in a while. Red month, sorry. Not even red week, red month. No, that's a lie. I had 2 red weeks, 1 little green week, and then a red old bad boy again. Are we just bouncing between the bob levels right now? Oh damn, we are. Hey, trading for newbies. You know, I don't mean to brag, but I made $1.60. I don't mean to brag though, you know. It looks like you're getting stopped out a lot. No, here was break even. This trade I didn't take. I was forward testing this, so no. This trade I didn't take either. The entry would have been a here. So there was no trade there. So no, haven't actually been stopped out this afternoon. Sell 5. Uh, 335 POC noise. Okay, waiting trades, but they are spot on. 20 and luck, I had to run out this 25 minutes. Oh no. I was just like saying, I just did. That's fine. Oh, sis. Jordy, be nice. OTT sad. You gotta be nice to OTT. Here we go, here we go. I want to say we have more movement, but we're literally just kind of bouncing between this bob level. Very interesting. $10.49. If this is actually going bob to bob, I'm going to laugh a lot. But we're kind of stuck in this range right now. Remember, don't diddle in the middle. Don't diddle in the middle. Don't remind myself that. Hey, T-Sab, what's up? Celebration train. Sorry, I'm hearing noises going, what is happening? Oof. Okay. Do we think this is actually going to break out of this range? I gave it another 20 minutes. I mean, we started to have a bit more of a decent move here. Do we think this is going to break below? Or do we think it's only going to start doing things during the PM session? Because we appear to be a tad bit stuck right now. Yeah, we appear to be an itty bitty bit stuck. That's interesting. I don't know if I like it though, but it's interesting. Let's see what this does. I do not like it. Oh, okay. I actually really don't like it. So never mind. This would... No, I don't like this trade at all. 50-minute time frame looking for bounce. Thank you to 950. If it does, I deserve 100 wombats. Thank you to 19500. Come again, Soldier Boy. What's it currently at? Okay, NQ. Because what? I'm like 19500. Are you talking like down, 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 down? What's up, Debbie? What are you reading where? I mean, that's interesting. If I know there's some people that actually do that. They trade the range. I personally have never been brave enough, nor have I backtested it enough to do that. Slash, when it comes to me marketing in, I'm a problem. Because then I tend to do dumb things. Just saying. So I'm not one that should be a market into trades type of person. I don't know, it messes with my psychology if I do that. But I mean, it's possible. Is that what that red is? A wombat? I thought it was a flying animal. Louis, are you crazy? I don't think it's a wombat. It might be like a beaver. Is it a wombat? No, it's not a wombat. It's definitely not a wombat. Wombats don't look like that. Do you want to see what wombats look like? Wombats are adorable. No balls. Nah, Bob, just ovaries. Eh, you weren't expecting that, were you? Nice. Hi. Oh, getting Perry licks. Hey, baby. I want to show you what a wombat looks like. A wombat. Is it a wombat? I don't think it's a wombat. Wombats don't look like they stand up on their back legs and scream. Oh my gosh, but they're so cute. I kind of want one. They're adorable. Have you seen when they walk? They look so happy. Okay, sorry. I'll stop. But they're adorable. That's all I'll say. I'm out. I've had 2 hours of session. Oh, choose life sound. Okay, God. Oh. Did you just call me a guy? That's mean. What did I do to you? It's like I could. Well, now I'm kind of. No, it has a tail. It's not a wombat. I don't think it's a beaver either. It could be a beaver. Is it called a prairie dog? It could not be a prairie dog. It's called a prairie dog. I don't know. Is it a prairie dog? What are they called? This isn't a bug me now, thank you. Groundhog! Thank you! Is it a groundhog? Sorry, let me show you. Oh my god, it's Mr. More Than Your live stream. That's rude, Soldier Boy. The groundhog. You are correct, groundhog. Look, here's one of him screaming. Open. Okay, or not. That's fine. But there's one of him screaming, so that's cool. Yeah, there he is standing on his back legs. Screaming again. Okay, so clearly they like to yell at people. Oh, look at the babies. Okay, anyway, so there we go. It's a groundhog. Who knew? Well, one of us knew at least. At least one of us knows what's happening. Seen that movie Groundhog Day? I have not. Sorry. I think prairie dog and groundhog are the same thing. Oh. No, not the same. Really? They're not the same thing? I just know that the prairie dogs that do that cute... They call them whoops, I think. Oh, man, I'm gonna have to find a video now. I'm done for the day. Look at $15 lost and don't like it. After 8 consecutive wins, I shut down the PC. Oh, well, there we go. That's okay, though. Losses happen. It's inevitable. Mr. Umi says 411 target. Let's see. Oh, I lied. I didn't give it. I literally gave it like 10 minutes. I lied. Is Mr. still speaking? Oh, damn. Here we go. Oh, my Wi-Fi is freaking out, isn't it? I think it is. Look for bounce. I don't know. Let's see. My Wi-Fi is having... Here we go. We actually broke out of something. Nope. Okay, we kind of broke out of something, I guess. Let's do this. Sorry. There we go. Is my Wi-Fi calmed down now? Hopefully. Okay, still a little bit of a rejection there. This looks better. I can't take this. Because bad. Lost the volatility as well, but let's see if this would have worked. I'm not gonna take it. Like I said, I'm not taking it, but let's see if this would have worked or not. Am I A+ setup forms right now? No ways, OTT. But you're done, hey? You're done for the day. Or are you gonna take it? Get back into the habit of taking on your A+ setup. Interesting. I don't think it's going to reverse back to there, unfortunately, but this wouldn't be the worst entry. Oh, okay, there we go. Ah, back to 420. I was so stuck on 420 earlier. How big would this trade be? Mother bluffer. Okay, let me just put it back here. Yeah, that's not gonna come back down. 15-minute, sure thing. Let me just do that. Here it would tap back into that 15-minute fair value gap at 406. Hasn't quite tapped into it yet. I would have partialed. Well, this is a new entry, by the way. Okay, let's see what we get here. Taps back up there, that's not ideal. Let's just look on the 5 minute. Oh no. Okay. Oh, okay. Hunter guy. That's interesting. You think there's gonna be a reversal that happens around there? I mean, it just ran away completely from the first presenter. Let's just be real. So I wouldn't be surprised if it does go back up and then potentially it bounces back down. So it's likely to drop from right here where it is right now. You waiting for it to tap into the fair value gap? Hey, Mr. Umi? Is that what you're waiting for it to do? Okay, I would be in this trade. Hey Hank, what's up? I took one. It was a break-even trade, so you know, I don't mean to brag, but I did make $1.60. You know, trying not to brag here. You know, don't wanna rub it in people's faces. I might wait for PM or Asia. Not the worst idea. I have a feeling PM is gonna be better. Which is a bit of a bummer, but it is what it is. Just FYI, Bob to Bob would have entered down there. Bob to Bobs are not allowed, especially after the first hour, and if there's no volatility, so me. I wouldn't have taken this, but let's, out of curiosity's sake, see if this works. Oh, hello. Are you actually freaking kidding me? Look at that go. Bruh. Hey, Lava Turtle, what's up? Exactly, Soldier Boy. Oh, English has lost. I don't know, English is just lost. It's gone. And it's Monday. Oh my gosh, it's Monday. And I've already... My English bundle has depleted. And it's already Monday! Oh, this is about to be a very entertaining week. Y'all better hold on to your socks. It's about to get crazy up in here. And this is why we don't do Bop to Bop just yet. Louis, have you had any trades? You're being awfully quiet. There was that. I know, I always say Linglish. English has lost the building. Why did I say that? Where did I even get that from? That's not a saying. Is it? Did I just make up something accidentally? Maybe. Wouldn't be the first time. Anyways, stay tuned. The rest of this week's about to get oh so much worse. I'm excited. What other weird things will I end up saying? That is where we are at. And it's Monday. I got right below my order and turned around. The audacity. What the heck? Return hit to be fairly quickly. I didn't want to say anything because sometimes it feels like I sound braggy. No, Louis, whoop whoop, well done. That is awesome. Time zone. Okay, this is about to drop down a horde. Okay, so that would not have worked. But like I said, there's a reason why you don't take bob to bob levels after a certain time. ICT used to say Elvis left the building? Maybe. Hey, what's up? The one and only bad guy. No, I'm not. Oh, that's what I wanted to do. I actually wanted to check out gold. Thanks for the reminder. Okay, wait. But now... So it's not this one. It's Bob's gold level. So there's new ones that don't flicker. That's not right. I don't see it. Okay, I'm gonna have to go and check it out, but we can still check out the gold rush levels, although they do little flickers. Damn, gold, calm down. Imagine taking that trade on gold. Sorry, I'm just looking at this here. Yeah, let's say you placed it below there. Whoa, imagine taking that on gold. That's pretty freaking solid. Interesting, this actually, no, would have missed. Bummer. Yeah, these gold levels are pretty solid. Look at this. Oh! What? Okay, anyways. Gold looks like it's doing its thing. Don't know if anyone caught them. Threw that there today, but now I don't trust this. I see it type Bob's levels GC. Oh, sorry. Okay, let me do that quickly. Oh, got it. Thank you. Thanks, Bob. Let me add them. Am I being blonde right now? Nope, they don't have it, Bob. Wait, nope. That's the one I already have on. Yeah, interesting. This is the one that's already up. Maybe it takes a day to download? I don't know. Weird. Okay. Thanks, bub. Holy Wi-Fi, okay. Hey Jose, what's up? Yeah, I'm still in this thing. Don't ask me here. Okay. Okay, I see my Wi-Fi is freaking out. Bob is the OG. That is who Bob is. Okay. So two things. Number one, I see my Wi-Fi is having a complete mini meltdown. Number two, I don't think I'm going to be trading this. I think the PM session is going to be better. So unfortunately for me, that means no more trades. You know, like I said, don't mean to brag, but at least I got $1 today. Holding that sell. Damn, okay. Just sold again at 279. Unfortunately, no decent entry for me. So I might just call it there. Like I said, it's been a very long day. I still have a lot to sort out. So let me call it there. I will then be back new, ready, and refreshed for the day. Woo-hoo-hoo. Tomorrow, London and New York session. Okay, guys. Let's do this because I think this is just going to go sideways until the PM session. Guys, please let me know how the PM session goes. But let me call it there. Like I said, Wi-Fi's having a freak out. Maybe that's my cue to go. I love you guys madly. Thank you for joining. Don't forget to press that like button. If you want discounts, you can use my code. I love you all. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, trade safe. Yes, trade safe.